Hi guys, today I want to use emotional freedom techniques, also known as tapping, in regards to decision making. Because if we're honest, making decisions can sometimes be extremely hard, can be overwhelming, and even sometimes debilitating. But I love emotional freedom techniques because it just calms you, it restores your energy, and it helps you to move forward with confidence and just moving forward to make aligned decisions. So if you have not done EFT before, I'm just going to break it down. But essentially, the simplistic way to explain is you just follow exactly what I'm doing and repeat after me. So we're going to go through these different meridian points and we're going to tap out negative beliefs as it relates to decision making, or limiting thoughts or beliefs as it relates to decision making. And then after we get ourselves, totally grounded, we'll go in and we'll tap in the positive suggestions that we need to feel to move forward and make aligned decisions. So what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to take 3 deep grounding breaths. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Let's dive in and get started. Now, before we dive in, what I always like to know is, where are you at on a scale of 0 to 10? 10 being like, I suck at making decisions. I'm so overwhelmed. This is debilitating. I feel like I'm not ever going to be able to move forward. And 0 being like, you know what, I'm confident and I know everything's working out for my good. Where are you at? I want you to really rate yourself right here and right now. And this helps us to be able to check in with you throughout the tapping session to see where you're at on that same scale. All right, so we're going to go ahead and actually move forward and start tapping now. Even though it feels like there are so many options, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I don't know how to get to the outcome that I want, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it feels like I overcomplicate the process of decision making, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though decision making feels so overwhelming for me, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I just want to make the right choice, but it feels like I can't trust myself, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel frustrated that I can't just move forward with a decision, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm fearful that I'll make a mistake, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it feels like sometimes I've made bad decisions in the past, which makes it hard for me to trust myself moving forward, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. All right, I want you to go ahead and rate yourself on that scale of 0 to 10, seeing where you're at. Take a deep breath. Check in with yourself and with your body, knowing that your body is all-knowing. It knows how you feel. It knows what you need. And we're going to go ahead and tap out one more round. This decision that I have coming up is huge. And even though it feels that way, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though decision making feels like hard work for me, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I often get stuck in my head as it relates to decision making, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though this decision making process feels overwhelming, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes I get so overwhelmed with decisions that it makes me stagnant. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I know that not making a decision is a decision, but it still feels hard to make the right decision. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I find myself being fearful of the outcome, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I want decision making to be easy, to be seamless, but it doesn't feel that way. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Great job. Take another deep, grounding breath and check in with your body and see where you're at on that scale of 0 to 10. If you are above a 3, I'm going to ask that you go ahead and rewind this and continue to tap out those thoughts that are coming up, those limiting beliefs, those negative thoughts that are passing through. Okay, we want your energy to be really grounded so that we can go ahead and move forward, which we're getting ready to do, to tap in the positive suggestions. I am confident that I can make good decisions. I give myself permission to align with my human design authority to make decisions. I get out of my head with my decisions, and I get to fully trust myself and my decision-making process. I'm proud of decisions I've made in the past. And even ones that started off and felt like they were wrong have turned out to be well planned out and well followed through. God is working everything out for my good. So even if this decision throws me off track, I'll still get back on the right track. I move forward with peace about my decisions. I move forward with strength regarding my decisions. I am decisive. I am strong-willed. I am positive in my beliefs. I trust my decision-making process. I trust the outcome is aligned for my greater good. I am so excited to see how this decision will turn out, because I already know in advance that it's all coming together for my good. I am a powerful decision maker. All right, great job. Take again a few more deep breaths to ground yourself, to check in with your body, to remind yourself that you totally got this. You're going to rock out this decision confidently and unapologetically. And it's going to amazingly work out for your good. So I want you to use this video when you know that you need to tap in to making aligned and powerful decisions. If you're looking for more tools to learn about becoming certified in tapping so that you can not only use it for yourself, but you can begin to weave it into the work that you do with other people around you, definitely use that link below, where you're going to get a behind the scenes opportunity to come into my Elevate Method certification program, where you will overall get to experience some of the most life-changing modalities, such as tapping, neurolinguistic programming, hypnotherapy, time techniques, and life and success coaching. And you're going to see how these tools together can help you overall to elevate your mind, your life, and your success. So use that link below, and I look forward to seeing you there.